There was a time when I dreaded going home for the holidays. Not because I did not miss my family, but because I felt like I was not enough. I quit my job a few years ago, and since then, I have not gone back to my mother's hometown. Not because I could not, but because I felt insecure. For me, family gatherings are not just about catching up. They are also about giving. And I always thought, if I come home empty-handed, how will they see me? Maybe it was just in my head, but still, it weighed on me. But this year, things were different. God made a way. My brother sent me some money, enough to cover gas, food, and even a little something to share. It might not seem like a big deal to others, but to me, it was everything. So, with a mix of excitement and nervousness, we packed our things and hit the road. A 4-hour drive is not short, but for me, this was not just a physical journey, it was a mental one. It felt like I was revisiting a part of myself that I had left behind. When we arrived, everything felt the same. The warm laughter, the crowded house, the comforting chaos of family. But I could not shake the feeling that something inside me was different. That night, I tried to sleep, but I could do not. The house did not have air conditioning, just the cool night breeze from an open window. My kids struggled at first, but eventually they fell asleep. Meanwhile, my man was still wide awake. Not just because of the unfamiliar place, but because my thoughts were running in circles. I thought about bills that needed to be paid. I thought about how to ask my brother for my usual monthly allowance without feeling guilty, especially since he had just sent me money. I thought about whether I had enough to cover everything. And most of all, I thought about my dream of making it on YouTube. I've been working hard on my YouTube channel, but sometimes I feel like I'm not enough. I keep asking myself, will people even watch my videos? Can I really succeed in this? What if I give it my all and still see no results? The journey has not been easy. I've had to learn so much, from editing and scripting to figuring out what makes people actually click and stay. And honestly, it's exhausting. The algorithm feels like an unsolvable puzzle. My videos don't look as polished as other creators, and waiting for growth feels like an endless test of patience. But then I remind myself, if I give up now, I'll never know how far I could have gone. That night, somewhere between frustration and exhaustion, I had a realization. I've spent so much time focusing on what I lack that I forgot to see what I already have. I have a family that's still together. I have healthy children. I have the ability to give, no matter how small. I have time to learn. I have the chance to try. And most importantly, I still have dreams. Sometimes we are so focused on what's missing that we forget to appreciate what's already here. I'm not saying we should stop striving, but maybe we also need to learn how to accept that we don't always have to be enough in the eyes of others. Accept that progress takes time, and accept that as long as we keep going, the path will always open up. If you are ever felt overwhelmed by overthinking, if you have ever had nights where sleep just would not come, I'd love to hear your story. Drop a comment below. What's the one thought that keeps you up at night? And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We all have our own journeys, and I want us to grow together. Thanks for watching, and I hope we all keep moving forward.